Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hasnat Firdaus, and today I will be presenting my Module 3 assignment for IT 601. I have selected Amazon.com as the commercial website for analysis because of its global popularity and advanced integration of web and business technologies. And slide 2, Amazon.com. At a glance, Amazon is currently the #1 online marketplace in the US and ranked 8 globally with over 2.5 billion monthly visits and 320 million active users worldwide. Amazon is a true leader in the commerce space. Its success is largely driven by how well it uses modern technologies to deliver a smooth, fast, and secure shopping experience. And slide 3, web technologies. Fronted Amazon use HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript as its base. This helps in designing responsive pages and editing interactive elements like search, suggestion, filters and product. It also uses React, JS and jQuery, which improve user experience by making the website more dynamic and fast loading. Web technologies. Backend is the backend. Amazon runs on Java, Python and Node.js, which are powerful and reliable language for web development. The website is hosted on its own cloud platform. Amazon Web Services AWS, this gives Amazon the ability to handle real-time processing for inventory order, tracking and recommendation. It is built to survive millions of users without performance issue. E-payment system option. Amazon offers a wide range of payment options such as credit card, debit card, Amazon Pay, digital wallet, EMI plan. The flexibility helps customers across different regions complete transaction easily. E-payment system security. I think Amazon ensures payment security through SSL encryption, tokenization and PCI DSS compliance. These measures protects user data during transaction. In addition, the use two-factor auto connection and advanced force technology. Mobile commerce compatibility. The Amazon mobile site is very responsive and works smoothly on all devices. It has quick loading pages, optimized navigation and a clean layout feature like voice search, barcode scanner, etc. Mobile app feature. The Amazon app is available on both iOS and Android. It includes push notification for order status, real-time order tracking, even live chat support. CRM system personalization. Amazon CRM systems is highly advanced. It tracks user behavior like browsing history, searches and previous purchases. Based on this data, it shows personalized product suggestion and sends targeted emails or offers. This builds customer trust and improves user engagement. CRM system backend strategy. At the backend, Amazon use AWS-based CRM tools to group customer based on preference. It uses chatbots for customer interaction, manage loyalty through Prime membership and automated communication to maintain strong relationship with users. Cloud users benefits. Amazon depends on AWS service like EC2 for computing, S3 for storage and CloudFront for faster content delivery. This allows Amazon to scale quickly during busy sales like Black Friday or Prime Day. Now I'm talking about cloud uses risk and security. I think though really heavily on AWS can pose risk, Amazon minimize them with multi-region backups, multi-zone developments, and continuous monitoring. They are also adopting AI-based solution to make their platform smarter. Business intelligence inside data collection. Amazon collective collects massive data on user clicks, search, and purchase. They analyze this data to forecast demand, detect trade, and adjust their supply chain operation. For example, if a product gets many search but low sale, Amazon might offer a discount or promote it more. So customer gonna buy it again. Business intelligence tools. For analysis, Amazon users AWS, QuickSight, and Tableau to create dashboard and visualize. They also have custom tools for product planning, marketing, decision, and logistic optimization. Business intelligence helps them make smarter, faster decisions. Conclusion. In summary, Amazon combines powerful web technology, strong cloud, infection data drive strategy to maintain in dominance with secure payments, a reliable mobile experience, personalized CRM, and smart use of business intelligence. Amazon set a gold standard for modern e-commerce. Thank you, everyone.